Good morning, guys. I have not seen you guys in forever. And yeah, I know. I'm actually recording in the front facing camera. I don't know why, but well, yeah. It is it's Friday. Yeah, Friday, May 6th. Yesterday was Cinco de Mayo. I did not take my allergy pill, but when I get back home, I will. I'm actually heading to Dunkin Donuts. It is 6:20 in the morning. My allergies are killing me, of course. I woke up, put the dog outside, and all my face starts to itch and whatnot. This year, the allergies has been really bad, just ripping me apart. So, I need to get gas and what else? Yeah, but I'm going to Dunkin Donuts. This week actually was a good week. Let me try to do you guys in a way that I cannot get pulled over by the popo. Even though I ain't see none right now, but usually they be out this side. But it's pretty early. People are out running in the morning, getting their exercise on. Yeah. And I'm a little tequila out. We went out last night, didn't film anything, didn't think about filming anything. Yesterday was a therapy day. Had a really great therapy session. And then afterwards, we went and got some tequila. So, yeah, we went and got some tequila. And what's good? We had a good little conversation, me and Big, because we haven't really been doing like date night or anything. Excuse me, but the allergies has got the girls itching all over in the face. Okay, like right now my face is itching. And so when I get back, I gotta wash my face, take my allergy pill. Like, ooh, I hate it. Let me see what gas is. Gas is $3.99 a gallon. The fuck? Okay. Well, I guess. Ciao. Let me go on over here and fill this tank up, and I'm gonna be right back. I got 8 gallons for $35. I had maybe a half a gallon in there. I don't know. The gas station got tap and go now at the Speedway. So I ain't had to do nothing but tap my little debit card, credit card, and put some stuff in there. When I was going to work in the city, this was where I used to stop in the morning to get gas. Because I never get gas in the evening when it was time to go to work, and I needed to. But now we about to go to Dunkin Donuts. My little husband sent me some money. Said, go on and get you some coffee, baby. So, y'all, it is gloomy outside. It rained last night. I think it's supposed to rain again today because of it's supposed to be tornadoes coming again too. It's rain season for us, and so it's gonna be yeah. When certain gas stations have a certain price, and the next one right down the street will have maybe a penny off. Not this time around, boo. Everybody at $3.99. I think the Speedway, all the way in the boom booms where there's nobody, no city limits, I think that one is $3.77. Because when I passed there the other day, I think it was $3.77. But yeah, the boomies, it'll be a little cheaper. So yeah. But for me, living in city, well, I don't really live in city. I'm not that far away from the city limits. So, nobody at Dunkin. It's early. Virginia, what is you doing down here? Okay, let me get You know, I have a free coffee, and what's tomorrow? The 7th, it expires tomorrow. So, we gonna do our free coffee, and then we gonna do some breakfast. Yeah. Let's see what we have.
Thanks for running out, Dunkin.
Hi, can I get a large hot dark coffee with 4 creams, no sugar?
Okay.
And then can I get a medium, the mango pineapple refresher?
Do you want that with green tea, coconut milk, or lemonade?
Lemonade.
Okay.
And then can I get everything bagel toasted with cream cheese? And that'll be it.
$9.84.
Thank you. Don't judge. I got a free coffee, so I like to have something hot and cold for the morning. But I'm gonna have to put y'all on pause so I can use my app to get my stuff. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. This is your girl Syn, and this is Life with Syn. Good afternoon, good afternoon, good afternoon. I know you guys are off all the time. You hear me do good morning, good morning, good morning. We are starting the vlog at 3 o'clock in the afternoon. It is May 7th, and it is the Jazz Fest here, and it's not like the Essence Jazz Fest. Don't get all excited. But apparently it's been going on for years, and so it's just a little something that they do in my city with the high school and the middle school bands, and then they have, like, you know, jazz performers from different areas come out and do performance. So we decided that we're gonna go and check it out like we did last year. Last year was the first year that we went because we never knew about it. I've lived here a couple years. He's lived here a long time. And we've never been. We never been until last year when we were trying to get out the house and we were passing and saw the sign. So I promised myself that this year we'll go again, and so that's why where we're heading right now. What did I do all day? I haven't done anything. I did put some makeup on, put some earrings on. I'll pop a picture here of what my outfit looks like. Nothing major. It is a very dreary day today. I didn't think it was going to rain, but it kind of rained the last couple of days, and so yeah, it's not really giving, and it's drizzling right now. We don't know if we're gonna stay at the Jazz Festival, because I might have to switch my phone from the camera so that you guys could get a little bit of footage of it, because it is actually raining right now. I'm wearing some gloss from NYX on my lips, and so yeah, the person that just pulled up next to us is being nosy, ain't they? Yep, they trying to be all up in the camera and all that good stuff. But yeah, let's head over to, I'm liking my makeup now. I'm bloated in the face because hormones pretty much. But I put on some eyeshadow. I had some eyeshadow I was playing in. I don't know how to do eyeshadow, but it is what it is. It's doing what it's doing. I think my face looks good with it on, and yeah. And then this wig is like an old wig that I've had. Not too old. I've probably worn it a couple times, handful of times, and I kind of just threw it on. I've been wearing it the last couple of days for work and stuff. So yeah, so much to talk to you guys about. But yeah. Anywho, let's head on over to the Jazz Festival, see what's going on. It's been going on since 10 o'clock this morning. And I think it's finishing tonight. Today's the last day because it's only 2 days, Fridays and Saturday. It started yesterday, and tonight it ends at like 9, 10 o'clock. So yeah, that's why we're trying to make it out there and see what's going on. Last year we had a really good time when we found out about it, and one of the performers, I guess she was like a headliner, she's actually just moved to Nashville, but she's from Louisiana, and she was really great. I'll find her name because I did post it on my Instagram last year. I just need to remember what her name was, but she did good. She did good. So like I said, I'll talk to you guys for a minute because we've been talking for 3 minutes. Bye. Did anything? Yep. Well, the weather kind of blew the Jazz Fest out. As you can see, it's not really, let me see, yeah, not really happening. Nothing pretty much, yeah. Last year was pretty good actually, but yeah, not much happening. It's drizzling and it's a little chilly too, so that kind of threw the weather out. So yeah. People are here. Well, we're leaving because man, it is super chilly, and I don't know, I just feel like well, I'm not looking back like I'm the one driving, but yeah. Super chilly, cold, dreary day. And the festival isn't like full, like, you know, a lot of people didn't come out, and so yeah. But either way, we got a little bit of footage of it. It was so beautiful last year, so beautiful. So we're gonna head home because I'm cold. My body is like hurting in this cold weather, and yeah, okay. So we're gonna head home, and what we're gonna do? Watch a movie and kind of call it a night because we've been, yeah, the weather's really kind of changed the mood a little bit. I just want to lay in my bed. You ever get to that point where you're like, oh wow, I want to be outside, but then I want to lay in my bed, and I just can't sit in the cold. Not the chill. Can't sit in the chill. Can't sit in the chill. Not this old bones. So yeah. So we're heading back home, and yeah, I might not pick the camera up. Tomorrow's Mother's Day, and yeah, I'll probably see y'all tomorrow. Bye guys. Hi guys, look at my Mother's Day flowers that my husband bought me. They're beautiful. I'm about to put them in some water. Oh, and I got a treat also. He got me a bacon donut and my coffee. Then he turns the light on. He's about to make breakfast, although. Yep. My little homemade Mother's Day dinner. I got crawfish, broccoli, potato, corn, eggs, sausage, cucumber, and some crab legs. And yeah, I'm about to dig in. Just wanted to show y'all the plate.